Y'all, this is what your girl got. This is what I got. I got all these different types of hair, different colors. Oh, I dropped one. Hold on. I got this. What are we gonna do with all of this? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shani, bringing you another video today. How y'all doing today? I'm doing good. I hope y'all staying hydrated, because your girl, she's staying hydrated. Yes, it's another beautiful day, you guys. But you guys, I gotta keep it real with y'all. Like, I'm going through, okay? Y'all see this? Your girl's going through. And our hair, unfortunately, is not considered essential. But this is essential to me. So what I had to do was get creative. I got all the random hair in my house, in my repertoire, and I'm gonna try to do something with this. Here, take a look at this, guys. Y'all, this is what your girl got. I don't know what this is. What is this? Let's see. What is this? Like crochet. Oh, I think it's this.
Are you dumb?
I got all these different types of hair, different colors. Oh, I dropped one. Hold on. I got this. What are we gonna do with all of this? I tell you what I'm gonna do. Let me drop some of this. So I came across this video on YouTube. I'm gonna link it below in the bottom if you're interested in seeing the original video. Well, a girl, she took her braiding Kanekalon hair, you know, your average braiding hair, and turned it into hair for passion twist. Because although I got a lot of hair, I don't have a lot of the same hair. So I can't do one whole style because your girl's head is big. I know you're like, that's a lot of hair, but my head is big, okay? Don't roast me, okay? But I can't finish this style with the amount of hair I have in one style. So I'm going to attempt to turn this into this. Your girl's gonna try it. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I'm gonna go through the process, show you guys the process, and however it comes out, that's what we rocking, because guess what? That's what I got. Because I just can't look like this for one more day, y'all. Look at this. This is sad. Look at this. You guys stay tuned. Thank you again. Sorry, guys. I seen somebody walking outside and I was too busy being nosy. That's why I kind of diverted my attention that way. But anyway, you guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe and comment, hit that bell notification so you can be the first to know when I upload a new video. And you guys also follow me on social media. You guys, you can hit me up on Instagram. My name on Instagram, I'm gonna link it below, but my name on Instagram is Shanina Mocha 2, and on Twitter I am Shani Hen, okay? So, or Shani H, and then on Snapchat I'm Shani Hen. So you guys make sure to follow your girl, okay? Get her pages popping, okay? But I love you guys. Stay tuned. We gonna go from this to this. Hopefully, if all goes well. Again, I love you guys. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace. Alright guys, so let's get started. So in order to go from this, your straight Kanekalon braiding hair, to this passion twist hair, these are the things that you'll need. First and foremost, you'll need to get some straws, just some basic straws. I got these straws off of Amazon, you guys. I'll go ahead and link that information below if you're interested. And also, you'll need some bobby pins. Now, if you see, I'm running low on the bobby pins, and that's because I can't go out and get any. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these. Once these are all out, I'm going to switch over, and I'm going to use these little clips that I have here. See it here. And I'm sure you can get these off of Amazon as well. But yeah, I'm going to use these and see if this works out. And I'll let you guys know if it was a fail or not. But that's everything you'll need to achieve that look, okay? So once again, we're going to take this and turn it into this. Alrighty, here we go. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start. Grab our hair. I'm not really sure how much. Can't tell you exactly how much. I guess depending on what size you want your twist to be. But I just grabbed a little pinch here. See? Not that thick. And I grabbed my straw here. And I also got my bobby pin here. So what you're going to do is you should start with this hair came pre-stretched, so I didn't have to stretch it. but you do want to stretch the ends, give it that jagged look at the edge so you won't have that blunt hair, and it won't wrap well if it's blunt as well. So you start here, grab your straw, you're going to fold it in half. Also, if you don't want it this long, because this is long braiding hair, I believe it's like 28 inches or something like that, but it's very long. So if you don't want it that long, you can cut this hair in half and then bend it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to wrap that around your straw, leaving just a little space up at the top there. You see that? And then you'll bend that space over like so to kind of get that hair in place. You see that? And then I'm just going to take my bobby pin and just secure this in place. Push it all the way through, like so. You see that? And basically what we're going to do now is we're going to twist this hair down, and you're going to twist the hair as you're going around the straw. You guys see that there? Make sure you're holding your twist in place as you go, and you also want to make sure that there's some space in between your twist. Like so. And then when you get down towards the bottom, you're going to have extra hair. So what we're going to do is we're going to twist back up in between those spaces. See? And it doesn't have to look perfect. Just make sure you're twisting as you go. Back into those spaces. And just twist around all the way at the top until you get every strand of hair twisted around that straw. So this is what it should look like. Alright guys, just checking in. As you can see, I got a few done here. I did have to secure a couple of them more outside of the bobby pin because they weren't stretched enough, so they were unraveling at the end as I was twisting. So I just went ahead and used a clip here. I did run out of bobby pins, so what I'm going to do is just show you guys how I achieved this same using one of these clips here. So here we go. So you just want to take it And it's going to be the same concept. Just flip it over. Move that hair out of the way. And just take your clip it like so, and there you go. And you'll start to twist. It is a bit bulkier, so you just want to make sure you don't get any of that hair in the way. Alright guys, so I am all done here. I got them all wrapped. I ran out of clips and bobby pins, and I got about 60 of them out of that, 55 to 60 of them. I'm just going ahead and cutting away all the flyaways on here, but they're all done, so hopefully that is enough for my entire head, because like I said earlier, your girl's head is pretty big. But if not, worst case scenario, I do have some more hair, braiding hair, that I could use. I would just have to, once I'm finished with these, installing these, I would just have to repeat the process over again. But hopefully it doesn't have to come to that. So I'm just going ahead and just, like I said, cutting away those flyaways on here, so it can be neat. Alrighty, and once I'm done with that, we'll move on to boiling. Alright guys, we're all done. We went ahead and let that sit in hot water for about 1 minute, and now we just have it on the towel here. So what it has to do is it's going to dry overnight, and once it's dry, we'll go ahead and take them apart and see how it comes out. Hopefully it comes out good. Alright guys, so as you can see, I already started taking some down. I had filmed, but I guess it didn't go through properly, so I did start taking some out, but all of the passion twists that we made are completely dry. It is the next day, so I've waited a little while longer because they were taking a while to dry, but they are now completely dry. So what I'm going to do now is just show you how I take them apart here. So what you do is you'll just grab one, take off the clip of the bobby pin. We'll save that for later. And then you just go ahead and take the straw. You're going to just, oop, there's some water still in that straw. You're just going to pull that out. We are saving these straws in case we want to do this style again. We're not wasting any money. And then you just want to grab that hair and just pull it down here, and it should bounce back up just like so. Look at that. Beautiful. And then you're just going to gently pull it apart. And you guys, right here at the bottom, it did get a little tangled, so we'll just take some scissors. If I can find my scissors. Alright, got it. You just take scissors and snip that at the end. Like so. And I'll just put them over here with the other ones, but as you can see guys, look at that. So pretty. And if you don't like the frizziness, you can go ahead and just cut that off. But they came out so good, guys. I can't wait to install this. Alright guys, so this is the finished product here. We got our passion twist hair made out of your average connect-a-line braiding hair. I was able to get 4 bundles out of this, guys. I really like how this came out. I can't wait to try it. You guys, try this. I'm telling you, it is worth it. Shoot, you might even be able to make a little coin off of these. Package them up and sell them to people who don't want to do it. there you go. Got your little side hustle going on out here in this quarantine streets. But you guys, thank you again for tuning in. Remember to always like, subscribe, comment, and share, and help a sister out. Also, guys, stay tuned because I will be installing this hair, and I am going to film a tutorial on how I installed this hair and the outcome and how it looks. So you guys stay tuned for that. But until then, you guys have a blessed day. Peace out. Love you guys. Woo!